Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our March 2023 challenge is being brought to us by the wonderful Janet of RTS Scrapbooking. You can find Janet over at Patreon. I will try to remember to leave her link listed below, but her link is listed over at our Facebook group site, which is linked below in the description box. And the challenge for March 2023 that you can see right now is to pick something green, pick something that starts with the letter M, or pick something related to your photography, your photograph. So it could be that you're selecting products based on that, or it's the story. And when I say product, that can be your paper, your embellishments, your die cuts, your title, etc., etc. And this is the last Monday of the month, but if you're off today and you can scrapbook, we would love to see what you have created. So snap a photograph of your kit and your layout and upload them to the March album, and Janet will hop on over there sometime the first week of April, and she's going to select one winner to win a $30 gift certificate to Cherry on Top. All right, isn't that fabulous? That would be a reason to want to play, right? Okay, now for my kit. I do page kits within my kit. So for layout number 3, let's just briefly go over the products. Again, my kits were revealed the first Monday of the month of March. So we have a photograph last year of my birthday, which I had to work on my birthday, and I'm going to have to work again, or I already did work again on my birthday this year. So this was taken last year, and my husband surprised me with a bouquet of flowers and a balloon, and then the staff gave me a card, a gift certificate, and I think it was a cake. Was it a cake or cupcakes? I can't remember now. Anyway, I didn't snap a photograph of the dessert, so that's why I can't remember, and I didn't document it. So see, this is why we have to tell our story. So within this page kit, here are some of the embellishments that I pre-selected. No, it's not a whole lot, but it is a starting point. And then I have these gems here that are shaped like flowers. And I have some scrap paper. And this scrap paper here is from Jen Hatfield Hey Hello collection, and it's a 2019. And I actually had 2 sheets of this, and I already used some on layout number 2. This is from Pink Fresh Studio. This is from Pink Fresh Studio. It's just a strip, and it's from the Happy Blooms collection. And this 12 by 12 is from Pink Fresh Studio, and it is delightful. And this one is Happy Heart from Pink Fresh Studio. So the only paper that is not Pink Fresh Studio is this one right here. And then for my alphas, I have Pink Fresh Studio Puffy Alpha Stickers, Joyful Day. And then I have these puffy elements from Pink Fresh Studio, Keep It Real. So we have several Pink Fresh Studio collections that are going to work awesome together. I am going to try to keep this live, possibly. My problem is with doing live videos, I get creating and I get silent and I don't talk through my process. So that's why I do a voiceover. So we'll see if this works or not. And then sometimes I get interrupted and I have to stop my video. So for my foundation layer, that would be my first layer here. This is from Pink Fresh Studio 2021, and this is Happy Heart. And I am going to use this side, and we are going to trim off the branding strip This next one here, we are going to, I think, cut it like this. I love the word phrases. I originally selected it for this side to use as strips of paper, but I think I am going to punch out circles. I have not done that in a long time, and I'm going to use this paper as well. So I think I'm going to cut this half down here so that I can have this pinks and purples and possibly a little bit of green, because we're supposed to use green on our layout, which I do have some green on this one. Not sure how I'm going to incorporate it, but we are. So I am going to trim this. Give me a second. Okay. So we have that done. And my thought is we are going to stagger this because you only need to see a little bit of the rows. I think this is distracting. You can't read it. So maybe we'll go something like this. So I need to mat those photographs, and maybe I will do it on this paper here. What do you think? I think so. Photograph. I'm going to use this paper and this one to cut out my circles. Yep, I'm going to use circles. I don't think I may put this here. Should I put that there? A scallop edge? A tiny one? Maybe. Maybe I should. I think so, huh? Okay. All right, I am back and I have finished inking my circles using Wisteria. And now we are ready to place down my photographs and then add the circles and the embellishments. And I think because I'm kind of looking this way, my head's tilted this way, even though my eyes are closed, it's tilted this way. I am also going to add foam adhesive to this photograph and lift it up. So we're going to set this one, and I have these dotted lines that I can use as my visual guide. I want a couple of circles over here, so I think this is enough space, and it's kind of in about at the 2-inch mark. If you're using your mat, it's not perfect. You can get out your T-ruler. I am just going to eyeball. All right, I like how this is setting here. Now it's time to take these circles and start tucking and figuring out how I want them across this page. Maybe I need to go with the larger one there. Okay, how's that? 2, 3. My circle dots are down. I have this tag, and I thought I could slide that right under here. I think that works. And I did ink the edge with Wisteria ink. And we're going to lift this up a little bit. Hopefully my glue is drying. Yes, I like that. So that's going to stay there. Might as well just use our wet adhesive glue. We have it out. And we're going to place that there. I like that. Now see, I still have those circles up there because I'm not sure yet. I have this word lovely. Okay, off camera, I adhered this chipboard piece that says lovely using my wet adhesive glue. Then from the Pink Fresh Studio Alpha set that is called Joyful Day, I spelt out the word celebration. And then I took my ATG gun and put a little bit of adhesive behind these circles. I decided, yes, that's where I want them. And the butterfly I have not secured down, and I am going to commit. So we are going to go ahead and add some wet adhesive glue. I like to place my Scotch tacky glue in this fine bottle I've had for years. So now I have my butterfly down. All right, I'm going to ink just a little bit right in this corner to keep the theme going of the inked circles. And even though that circle's cut off, it just looks out of sort for me. So I'm making sure I just stay right in there. And I like that. That little bit makes me happy. Now let's look at what I have left over. So we have this cat, and it has been in my stash for a long time. You know what? I think I'm going to go with him right there. That kitty cat's going right there. I'm going to sound a little bit different because the last minute and a half I have to do a voiceover. So for my finishing touches for this layout, I am adding medium gloss spray in Heather. Now, as you will see in just a moment, I didn't go live for the entire process of embellishing this layout. So I will go over that with you now. So as you know, I placed the cat over to the left-hand side. I did a cluster in the upper right-hand corner. I added 3 puffy elements and 3 silver gems from close to my heart, and I added 1 silver gem over there by the cat, and then I'm coming down to the lower corner of the photograph, and I added a pink flower gem and 3 silver gems to the right photograph, and then under my title I added 3 of those flower gems. And then my layout is complete and the still shot is here now. And don't forget to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have their link listed below. We'll see you next time and give a thumbs up. Bye.